What's wrong with sleeping? That's what she said. Oh my God! It's not good for her.
Hey, Brad, bakit bawal? Bawal kasi alcohol. Hey, Brad, bakit asan yung bread? Brad, give me bread.
Adi ka mo mabig.
It's hella cold. Give me bread. Stop. Bread.
Oh my God.
Kain. Oy, chew. No, kailangan yung alcohol para ma-absorb yung bread.
Saan kainin mo yan?
Oh my God.
Ay, water.
Oh, tubig. Stop. Oh, shit. Stop.
God.
Ano ba yung
Water. Tubig.
Kain bread. Kailangan ko kumain ng bread. Walang hiya. Sabina, sasampalin kita. Kumain ka ng tinapay. Oh, sasampalin kita. Sige. Kainin mo to.
Bebutas siya.
Wala. Sabina, kainin mo tinapay.
Lloyd.
Oy!
Oo. I'm dying. Oh my God. Baka naman ma-suffocate.
Sabina, nga. Kailangan mo kumain ng tinapay, sasampalin kita. Sige ka. Kain. Nguya. Sabina, nguya. Kailangan niyo kumain ng tinapay. Ia-absorb yan ng alak eh.
Oh.
Kumain ka muna.
Oh my God, ang init niya.
Kumain ka muna.
Ito yan.
Oh my God. Oh.